Hi there, how are the things going? Let's understand why some of these sentences are incorrect and some are correct. The first sentence, you asked me to introduce yourself. This is incorrect. Here, yourself should not be used. Use you in place of yourself. So, the third sentence, you asked me to introduce you, is correct, while the first sentence is incorrect. The second sentence, I asked you to introduce myself. This is incorrect because you cannot introduce myself. You can introduce me, but not myself. So here myself is incorrect. Use me in place of myself. Then the sentence would be correct. And the fourth sentence is the same, which is correct. I asked you to introduce me, not myself. Okay. And sentence number 5, you asked me to introduce myself. This is correct because I will introduce myself here in the sentence. You asked, you wanted me that I introduce myself. Okay, so this is correct. I asked you to introduce yourself. This is correct because I want you do the action. I want you to introduce yourself. So you can introduce yourself. Okay, so yourself is correct here because the action is being done to you. You are doing the action and the effect of the action is going to be on you. Okay, so here yourself would be the correct word. And the last sentence, I asked her to look at myself. Here myself is incorrect. Use me in place of myself. I asked her to look at me. Okay, she will look at me. So in the last sentence, her means she will do the action and the action is look at. So she will look at myself or she will look at me. Which of these two is correct? Let me tell you, she will look at me is correct, not myself. Okay, and if you think the video was of any help to you, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.